How's it going, guys? Welcome to my small engine repair channel. Today's project is this Craftsman push mower with the Kohler Courage XT7 engine, and the problem we're having with it is it won't start. Alright guys, so once again welcome, thanks for joining me. I got this mower for free in a pile of free stuff a guy dropped off, and he said that they had it running last year but couldn't get it started, so we're going to see what we got going on. This is the early part of springtime now, and this is going to be a common problem for a lot of you out there who are pulling your machines out of storage and maybe can't get it fired up. So hopefully this will be informative. So first things first, always check the oil, see if we have some oil in here. There's definitely some oil, and it's really overfilled. You can see that second mark is the high end, and it's way over that, so we'll have to drain some of that out. We'll see if he's got any fuel in there. There's definitely some fuel in there. Quick smell. I think it's fresh. It seems fresh. Make sure the spark plug wire is attached. It is. And I'm going to check the air filter status here. Okay, well, that could be causing part of the problem. This thing is probably blowing oil because it's overfilled and it's soaking up the air filter here. It's probably blowing out through this crankcase breather vent and then into this area, which is supposed to sort of re-burn it if it's just like a mist, very thin misty oil, but if it's too much, it just kind of soaks your air filter. So guys, don't overfill your oil thinking you're doing a good thing by just adding some oil. It's got to be at the proper levels. Alright, so let's see if we can't go ahead and duplicate the issue that this guy was having. I'm going to try and fire it up here. Alright, sure enough, it won't start. So I'm taking another quick look in here. Let's see if we can see in here. Right in here, let me take this off. Here's our choke plate, and it's closed, so that's right. So let's see if it's getting gas. I'm going to put some starter fluid or carb spray right in there. Let's see if I can just get this open a little bit with that little doohickey. We'll try and refire. So if you wanted to know how to clean one of these carburetors from these Kohler engines, I do have a video. I will post a link to it in the top right corner right now, and show you an in-depth video on how to clean one of these XT7, XT6 Kohler carburetors. Alright guys, so there's another case of why it's super important not to overfill the oil. It does have detriment consequences I know you think probably more oil is better than no oil, and maybe that's the case, but in this case, we've shown that it can cause issues with fuel filter, air filters, and improper running if it's overfilled. So make sure that oil is filled properly. Um, I got the carburetor all cleaned up on this thing, and it runs nice. The other problem though we had is that the fuel tank ended up having a bit of a crack in it. I tried to do a bit of a repair unsuccessfully. I'm going to try one other thing, maybe some JB Weld, and see if we can't get that fixed up a little bit. Otherwise, I'll just wait for a new tank to come through the shop here. So hopefully, guys, this has been informative and it will help some folks out. So if you like the video, please go ahead and smash the like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. It really helps me out on the channel. And there's a bell notification icon right next to it, and you'll be notified each and every week I publish videos just like this one. So until the next project, guys, take care.